Have you noticed that everybody seems to be talking about AI these days? AI this, AI that, AI agents, AI automation, and AI voice assistants. And if you are like most people, you are probably wondering what exactly is AI automation and why is everyone making such a big deal about it? Well, in this video, I'm going to break it down in the simplest way possible. No complicated tech jargons, no confusing diagrams, just practical explanation of what AI automation is, how businesses are using it right now, and why it could become one of the biggest business opportunities over the next few years. In fact, by the end of this video, we understand how a business can literally have an AI employee answering calls, booking appointments, and following up with leads, and even helping customer while the owner is asleep. It sounds crazy, right? Well, it's already happening. Let's get into it. So, first of all, what exactly is AI automation? The easiest way to understand it is to split it into two parts. You have got AI, you have got automation. Let's start with automation because you have probably been using automation for years without even realizing it. For example, have you received a text message reminding you about an appointment? That's an automation. Have you ever filled out a form online and immediately receive an email confirmation? That's automation too. Basically, automation means getting software to perform tasks automatically instead of having a human to do them manually every single time. Now, let's talk about AI. AI is different. AI can actually understand information, make decisions, and respond intelligently. For example, if you ask ChatGPT, Cloud, or Gemini a question and it gives you a useful answer, that is AI. If an AI can understand what someone is saying over the phone and respond naturally, that's AI. Now, here is where things get interesting. When you combine AI and automation, you create a system that can not only perform tasks automatically, but can also think through those tasks before taking actions. That is AI automation. And honestly, that's why so many businesses are paying attention right now because we are moving from software that simply follows instruction to software that can actually handle conversation and make decision. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine you own a dental clinic and when it's 8 p.m., when your office is already closed, a potential customer call because they want to book an appointment. Normally, nobody answers the call, the customer hang up, and that's a potential customer loss. But now imagine something different. The phone rings, an AI voice assistant answers. Hey there, I'm Cassie from Pearly White Dental. How can I help you today? Hi, Cassie. I'm Temi by name, Temi. So I'm looking to book an appointment with your clinic. Hello, Temi. It's a pleasure to assist you. To help you book an appointment, could you please tell me what kind of appointment you're looking for and if you have any preferred dates or times? Okay, so I've been experiencing a severe pain in my teeth. So whenever I open my teeth and air touches the teeth, so I don't feel the severe pain. So my available time is next week on the 8th June 2026. Thank you for letting me know, Temi. I'm sorry to hear you're experiencing severe tooth pain. I'll just take a moment to check our availability for you on June 8th, 2026. I apologize, Temi.
It seems there was a technical issue and I couldn't check the availability for June 8th at this moment. Would you like me to try again for the same date? Or do you have another preferred date in mind?
Okay, you can check on the 9 or 10, morning or afternoon.
Certainly, Temmie. I will check for availability on June 9th and 10th for you. Please give me a moment while I look into those dates. Great news, Temmie. On June 9th, 2026, we have availability at 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. Do either of those times work for you, or would you like me to check for the 10th as well?
Yeah, it worked for me.
Excellent. Which time on June 9th would you prefer, Temmie? 9 a.m. or 10 a.m.?
Okay, 9 is fine.
Wonderful, Temmie. I'll go ahead and book that appointment for you for June 9th at 9 a.m. Please hold for just a moment while I confirm this in our system. Could you please tell me your insurance provider? Also, just to confirm, your main concern is the severe pain you're experiencing when your teeth touch. Is that correct?
Yeah, yeah, correct. So for now, I don't have any insurance partner for now.
Thank you for confirming, Temmie. I'll make a note that you don't have an insurance provider at this time. I'm now logging all your details and the appointment information. All your details have been successfully logged, Temmie. Your appointment is set for June 9th at 9 a.m. We look forward to seeing you then, and I hope you feel better soon.
Uh,
Please let us know if you have any other questions before your appointment.
all right, thank you for your time, Casey. So I don't have
You're
any.
most welcome, Temmie.
I don't have any question for now. So I think that will be all for now. So looking to see you.
You're most welcome, Temmie. We look forward to seeing you on June 9th at 9 a.m. Have a good day.
Yeah, same here. Bye.
Goodbye, Temmie.
As you can see on my screen, the information in the spreadsheet contains the details collected by the voice assistant during the call. These records are automatically organized in a structured format for each customer or client who contact your business. The next item is my Google Calendar. You may recall that the assistant mentioned it will schedule an appointment with a doctor. Once an appointment is booked, it is automatically added to the calendar. As a business owner, all you need to do is monitor the spreadsheet and your Google Calendar to stay informed about the customer inquiries and appointments that have been scheduled. So, why is AI automation suddenly everywhere? Well, there are three big reasons. First, businesses want to save time. Think about how many hours are wasted every week answering the same questions, responding to the same email, scheduling appointments, and following up with leads. Those tasks are important, but they are repetitive. And repetitive work is exactly what automation is good at. Second, businesses want to reduce costs. Hiring people is expensive, training people takes time, managing people takes effort. But AI isn't replacing every employee, but it can definitely help businesses do more with fewer resources. And third, customer want faster responses. Nobody likes waiting. If someone contacts a business today, they expect a response almost immediately. Businesses that respond faster usually win more customers. That is where AI automation gives company a huge advantages. And AI voice agents are opening up opportunities for entrepreneurs, freelancer, consultants, and agency owners who are willing to learn these skills. If you are interested in AI automation, AI voice agents, business automation, and practical ways to use AI to grow a business, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Every week, I'll be sharing beginner-friendly tutorial, real-world example, and step-by-step guides. And if you are a business owner who want to explore how AI automation can work in your business, check the link in the description and book consultation. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.